If you're searching for a high-quality, multifunctional pallet scale for your business, look no further. Our pallet scale features a powerful, fully sealed waterproof indicator, enabling you to transport and weigh heavy loads up to 3 tons simultaneously. The scale's wheels glide smoothly and gently on your floors, minimizing potential damage. The glue-coated handle ensures easy and efficient operation for raising and lowering the scale, complemented by an integrated casting hydraulic cylinder with a foot release pedal. The keypad functionality includes essential features like tear, zero, mod, MR, and print. Additionally, this pallet scale offers optional Bluetooth connectivity and a built-in printer. Powering the scale is a lithium rechargeable battery accompanied by a DC 12 volts 500 milliamperes adapter. Investing in our pallet scale guarantees accuracy and reliability, providing a prolonged lifespan and reducing long-term costs. Thank you for choosing Scales Technology. Feel free to reach out for any further inquiries. Scalestech, securing your profits.